up guys, it's Official Lucky here, back with another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to make Cinnabons. Here we go. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is look for where you're going to peel it. So right in this case it will be right here. Go ahead and just peel it all the way. All you want to do now is just push it right there in the middle until it pops. And then you have the cinnamon rolls. Alright, so next thing you want to do is spread them around the tray, just like that. All around. Make sure they're all even. It's better like that. There we go. And we've got these two over here. Alright, so next thing you want to do is go ahead and bring them into your local oven. Right in here. And just put them in. And put it for 13 to 17 minutes. So I'm going to go ahead and put it for about 20. And I'll see you guys when it's done. That's going to be about it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Peace out.
Body with all this jewelry on you, my roof look like a no-show. Got diamonds by the bolo, come with the Tony Homo for clowns and all the balls. Roll AP go psycho, lil' mama bad like